Marquee tag. This is used to create a text or a banner which moves or scrolls horizontally on the web page. So to create a marquee tag, use the tag below. So here I'm going to create a marquee banner. They are called banners. So you create a marquee banner. So it has an opening and closing tag. So I'm going to write, this is a moving text I created using the marquee tag. So when I open it on the web page, you're going to see how it looks like. So the marquee tag is used to create a banner which goes on the web page horizontally. So this so when I close this up with the closing marquee tag and I open it on the web page, so you're gonna see how it looks. So I'm gonna save that and open it on the web page. So you can see, so this is a moving text, a banner that scrolls horizontally. So you can see that. So you can design this with your CSS. So I'm going to take you onto CSS after this HTML. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel to get my next lesson.